In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages in Discord. Whether you made a typo, shared something in the wrong place, or just want to tidy up a conversation, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a message cleanly and confidently. Start by opening Discord, either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're in, navigate to the specific place where the message lives. That could be a server channel, a thread inside a channel, or a direct message. It matters because deletion happens in that exact spot. You're removing the message from that conversation, not from every corner of Discord. Find the message you want to remove. Move your mouse over it and watch for a small toolbar to appear. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu, on the right side of the message. If you don't see it, make sure your cursor is hovering right over the message area. Also remember, you can always delete your own messages. Deleting messages posted by other people requires the right permissions, typically given to moderators or admins. Click the three dots, then choose Delete Message from the menu. Discord includes this option in the message level controls to keep things simple and consistent, no matter what type of conversation you're in. After you click Delete Message, a confirmation box will pop up. This extra step is there to prevent accidental removals, especially in fast-moving chats. Confirm the deletion. As soon as you do, the message disappears from the conversation. It's removed for everyone in that chat, not just hidden on your screen. Keep in mind that deletion is permanent. Once it's gone, you can't bring it back. If you think you might need the text later, consider copying it before you confirm. The same idea applies to messages with attachments. When you delete the message, it's no longer visible in that conversation, so double-check before you finalize. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, go to the right chat, hover over the message, click the three dots, pick Delete Message, and confirm. This straightforward process helps you keep your conversations accurate, private, and clutter-free. If something doesn't look right, like the delete option isn't available, check whether the message is yours or whether your role in that server includes permission to manage messages. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to delete messages in Discord, safely and with confidence.